This is the Oecs Newslink, a roundup of major news happening across the Oecs today. In the headlines, the Oecs Commission celebrates St. Lucia's 46 years of independence. Ectel marks its 100th board meeting with the launch of a video project. Entrepreneurs in the Oecs set voyage on the 5th edition of the Caribbean Business Cruise. The Nature Conservancy and Government of Grenada hosts a ribbon-cutting ceremony of the Soubise Fisher Facility. Welcome to the weekly edition of the Oecs Newslink. I am Jacques Hinkson-Compton. The Oecs Commission congratulates St. Lucia on its 46th anniversary of independence. The island's Independence Day was celebrated on February 22, 2025. In commemoration, the Director General of the Oecs, Dr. Didicus Jules, delivered his official remarks to the people and government of St. Lucia.
Today we gather to celebrate a defining moment in St. Lucia's history, our 46th year as an independent nation. It is a time for joy, reflection, and renewal of purpose. This year's theme, Duva Assam, Health and Well-Being for a Prosperous Nation, is more than a slogan, it is a call to action. A reminder that in a world shaken by crises, our strength is in our unity, our resilience is in our well-being, and our prosperity is in our collective resolve to move forward together. St. Lucia, we have come far, but we have further to go. Our future is not written in the struggles of today, but in the resilience we show in overcoming them. The path ahead will not be easy, but history has proven time and time again that we are people of boundless courage and unshakable determination.
Dr. Jules also called on St. Lucians to rekindle the spirit of community, which has led to moments of success in the past, and stressed the importance of good health. For the full video, please go to the Oecs' YouTube channel. Now let us take a quick look at how St. Lucia recognized its 46th independence anniversary. The Eastern Caribbean Telecommunications Authority, or Ectel, convened its 100th Board of Directors meeting on Friday, February 21, 2025. For those who don't know, Ectel is the regulatory body for telecommunications in its member states, established way back in the year 2000. Board directors from the Commonwealth of Dominica, Grenada, St. Kitts and Nevis, and St. Lucia gathered virtually to discuss legal, regulatory, and technical matters such as updates on the Electronic Communications Bill, the Digital Inclusion Survey, the Annual Sector Review, and many other agenda items. To further commemorate the milestone of 100 meetings, the Directorate launched a video series highlighting the role and function of the Board of Directors and the Ectel support staff. Take a quick look at what to expect in the series.
What is the Board of Directors of Ectel? The composition and functions of the Board of Directors is enshrined in Article 8 of the Ectel Treaty, which was signed on 4th May 2000 and amended by Protocol Amendment dated 5th December 2019. The treaty requires that the Board of Directors comprises one member from each of Ectel's 5 contracting states to be appointed by the Minister with responsibility for electronic communications or an alternate.
For the full series, go to the Ectel YouTube channel and Facebook page. The Caribbean Business Cruise, or CBC, is back for its 5th edition. The initiative promises to empower micro, small, and medium enterprises, or MSMEs, from the Caribbean with opportunities for business growth and networking. From February 16 to 23, the CBC brought together entrepreneurs, project managers, and business professionals from across the Caribbean. The cruise will visit multiple islands, including Barbados, Grenada, Guadeloupe, Martinique, St. Lucia, and St. Vincent and the Grenadines. On board the ship, participants engaged in high-quality networking, workshops, conferences, and roundtable discussions, all designed to enhance their business acumen and market reach. At each stopover, MSMEs stepped off the ship to participate in business-to-business meetings and workshops organized in collaboration with local support organizations. The Nature Conservancy, or TNC, and the Government of Grenada and numerous other partners officially opened a newly constructed climate-smart fisher facility in Soubise, St. Andrew, Grenada on Saturday, February 22. The Soubise Fisher Facility is the first of its kind on the island. It was designed to integrate solar energy, rainwater harvesting, green and gray shoreline stabilization measures that use natural rock seawalls and native coastal vegetation to stabilize the shoreline, absorb wave energy, improve near-shore habitats, and reduce coastal erosion. The facility includes 21 lockers for fishers to securely store gear, washing stations for cleaning catch and equipment, and shower areas. Grenadian Minister for Climate Resilience, the Environment and Renewable Energy, the Honourable Karen James, remarked on the importance of the facility to the livelihoods of the fishing community.
The completion of the Soubise Climate Smart Fisher Facility is a testament to what we can achieve through dedication, collaboration, and a deep understanding of the needs of our people. For years, our fishers and coastal communities have faced mounting challenges, coastal erosion, unpredictable weather patterns, and diminishing fish stocks due to climate change.
The dedication ceremony was themed A Celebration of Community and Climate Action. Now that's the end of our program. Thank you for watching. Tune in next week when we give you more stories throughout the region. Until then, look at our website, oecs.int, and our social media channels.